See if we can start getting some of this mess put back together. What's going on, guys? It's been about a week. Just coming in, I finally got some extra time that we're gonna try and get the crank polished on the Focus and at least get all the rod bearings in. I'm gonna get some plastic gauge so we can verify and make sure the rod end isn't stretched, which I don't think it is. That way we can get it all put back together. And I'm probably gonna have to special order the upper valley pan or the windage tray gasket because mine tore and it doesn't look like any store in the area has it. But I can at least get the polishing done, get the bearings in, and know that that part's done and all the clearances are good. So stay tuned, hold on, enjoy yourself, and hopefully we can get this car finished and out of my garage so I can get it cleaned up, because I still got my bike going on. I got plans for the Thunderbird. I got that Subaru I picked up. I have so much to do that I really need to get this SVT back on the road. So follow along, stay tuned, let's hope for the best. Damn it. cycle these. You don't want to go hog wild. Balance them back and forth. Okay, now Ford made these degreed, so there we go. Now I should be able to pop these off. Check the plastic gauge and make sure we have all the right clearances. Now we can lube it and final assembly that one. Okay, so you can see the plastic gauge down inside, and it needs to be between 0.001 and 0.002. And that looks pretty darn close to 0.002. It's not 0.0015. So 002. So it looks like our clearances are on the money. Okay, now I get to retorque it again, this time with lube and permanent. $90. So now we should be able to rotate this pretty easily. There we go. Look at that. Rotating by hand. Now I'm going to go through and loosen all of them off. Well, the other one here off. Get that popped out. We can check it, polish it, throw it back in. Look at that, smooth as glass. All right. All right, guys, so I know this was a short video, and I tried to make it longer, but I had to order the windage tray to block seal. It should be in tomorrow. So I'm going to try and get that put back in, get the oil pan on. I already got the oil, the filter, everything else. So hopefully I can get this thing started, running, ready to go by tomorrow so we can start test driving it. Now, I don't know if I have to, but I'm going to follow a break-in procedure. So that's no high revs for 500 miles, run it light, change the oil in 500 miles with a new filter, just to make sure that we don't have any major problems. Now, these are in no particular order, but aside from the one, that one's a little worn. It's not pretty. That one's showing a little signs of wear too, but not a lot. I mean, they were still functional as bearings. They weren't brand new spring chickens, but we got new bearings in it. We'll get it going hopefully tomorrow. And hey, we'll be back to cruising the SVT again the way it should be. I miss this car. Now once that's done, we can start on that Subaru. Get it figured out, get some parts ordered for it, and we can start having some fun. Alright guys, as always, I'll see you on the flip side.